The Buck 110 Folding Hunter, a timeless classic in the world of pocket knives. Famous for its classic design and robust build, the Buck 110 Folding Hunter is more than just a knife. It's a piece of history passed down from generation to generation. In 1963, Al Buck, the owner of Buck Knives, recognized the need for a revolutionary folding knife with a locking mechanism. Designed specifically for hunters who desired a sturdy yet portable option, the Buck 110 Folding Hunter was born. Featuring the innovative backlock mechanism, it quickly became the most popular knife of its time. Over 50 years later, it remains one of the best-selling knives worldwide. Its two-handed opening with a nail nick and the satisfying click of the backlock mechanism add to its allure, making it not just a knife but a stylish accessory which you can carry on your belt with the included leather sheath. The iconic clip-point blade is hollow ground and crafted from 420HC stainless steel. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter's blade offers excellent corrosion resistance and is easy to sharpen. What sets the Buck's 420HC steel apart is the special Boss heat treatment, ensuring optimal performance and durability. The handle of the Buck 110 Folding Hunter is made of brass, a metal that develops a unique patina over time, adding character to each knife. Adorned with ebony inlays, it showcases Buck's craftsmanship and offers a touch of luxury. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first-time knife buyer, the Buck 110 Folding Hunter offers more than just functionality. It offers a narrative, a tradition, and a piece of adventure that you'll cherish for a lifetime. Over the years, various versions of the Buck 110 Folding Hunter have been released, including models with titanium or FRN handles, offering a more modern style, and a premium version featuring CPM S30V steel. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is not just a knife, it's an investment in quality that will last a lifetime. Join the countless enthusiasts who made this legendary knife a staple in their collection. Explore the range today at knivesandtools.com.